Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, which name is Analytics Pro. And as you know guys, here under this playlist, we are going to cover only differences of DAX functions, which is asked in an interviews. So our today's class topic is the difference between related versus related table. So firstly guys, let's understand the syntax of related versus related table. So under related function guys, we have just only one parameter which is column name, and under related table guys, we also have only one parameter which is table name. And now let's understand the definition. This function works with many to one relationship between the tables. When we want to fetch any column from dimension to fact table guys, so in that case we can use related function. And related table function guys, this function works with one to many relationship between our tables. When we want to fetch any column from fact to dimension table guys, so in that case we can use related table function. So while using related function guys, you don't need to use any helping function. So whenever you use this related table DAX function guys, you need to wrap up related table function with SUMX. And one more important thing guys, relationship should be there in both the tables. Either you apply related function or related table. Without relationship guys, these function won't work. And now let's understand related versus related table with practical. So let's move towards the Power BI desktop screen. So before understand this practical guys, let me show you both the table. So let me go to the table view, and here guys we have a table which name is EMP, which is our dimension table, where we have sales ID column, names, gender and product. And now let's check one more table which is our fact table, and here we have lot of columns like sales ID, country, names, order date, ship date and so on. And now guys, let's create a random requirement. So here under this sales table guys, you guys will not able to see any names column. We have just only sales ID. And if I go here under this dimension table guys, which is our EMP table, so here we can see the names column along with sales ID. So my requirement is that I want to fetch this names column here under this fact table, which is sales. So with the help of related function guys, we can fetch any column from the different table. But the thing is that there should be a relationship between the table. Along with that, we should have common column in both the table. If these two requirements are not fulfilled, so you can't fetch any of the column. And this function works like a join, which you have studied in Power Query Editor window. We can also fetch any column from different kind of sheets with the help of different kind of joins. So similar way guys, I want to fetch name column from this EMP table. So I will simply go here under this new column, and here I will provide the column header name. Let's say full underscore names. And now here I will use related function. So I will simply type related. And here we guys can see we have just only one parameter which is column name. So if I try to enter the column name guys, so our column name is names. So let me try it. So here you guys can see I'm not reflecting any column name from the employee table. And the reason is that guys, there is no relationship between both the tables. So what I need to do guys, before applying this DAX function, I need to create a relationship. So I will simply go here under this modeling view, and let me bring this table into the picture. So here we guys can see our common column name is sales ID. So I will simply select this sales ID column and drag and drop it here under this fact table. So now we guys can see we have created a relationship which is one to many. And now let's go back to the table view and apply our related function. So let me remove this bracket, and now I can see all the names from the employee table, which is our dimension table. So I can fetch any of the column. So this time my requirement is that I want to fetch only names column. So I will simply select names column from here and close the bracket and hit enter. So see guys, I have fetched names column from dimension table here under this fact table, which is sales. And now guys, let's cross check this thing. It is getting us right result or not. Let's check any random record. So I am filtering sales ID S08. So let me uncheck all the records and click here on this S08 and hit OK. So see guys, S08 record is Shubham. And now let's check the same records here under the EMP table. And here we guys can clearly see S0 sales ID names is Shubham. So that means related function fetched right records. So I hope you guys are clear with this related function. And now let me clear all the filters. So in this way, you guys can fetch any of the column from any of the table. So here we have fetched column from dimension to fact. And the same thing guys, I have also mentioned in the definition. You guys can clearly see it here, dimension to fact. So whenever you want to fetch the data from dimension to fact, you can use related function, and here you don't need to use any helping function. And now let's use related table. So let's go back to the Power BI desktop screen, and now guys I will simply go here under this dimension table, which is EMP. So here we have just only 4 columns, and let's suppose guys this time my requirement is that I want to fetch only cost column here under this dimension table. That means I want to fetch the data from fact to dimension, and the cost column guys here under this sales fact table. You guys can clearly see it here. So I want to fetch this column here under this dimension. So in that case guys I will use related table. Related function won't work here. So let's try first related function. So I will simply go here under the new column, and let's say my column name would be cost. And if I try related function here guys, and if you try to write cost column here guys, or any of the column, you will not able to see any column name here. Although we already have our relationship between the tables. You guys can clearly see it here. So let me remove this bracket, and here I will try related table. So under related table guys, we have just only one parameter, which is table. So here is one more catch guys, which you should know about it. Related table is a table manipulation function that return only table. You can't apply in the measure or in calculated column because it creates separate table. So here parameter is table. So what you need to do guys, you need to wrap this function under sumX, which is iterator function. So before related table guys, I will simply write sumX and bracket start. And now guys, I can simply fill the parameter of related table. So our table name is sales fact, comma, and close this bracket of related table function, comma. So here you guys can see under sumX guys, we have used related table as a table parameter, and the next parameter of the sumX is expression. So here you guys can simply write the column name which is from the fact table. So my column name is cost. So I can simply take cost column here and close the bracket and hit enter. So see guys, in this way we can fetch any column from fact to dimension with the help of related table. So this is the major difference guys between related and related table. So here under this video guys, I am just only covering the differences. But if you guys wants to know more about the related versus related table guys, so you guys can follow us our free YouTube channel, which name is Analytics Pro. And here under this channel guys, we have created a separate playlist of DAX function, which name is DAX expression playlist. So here is the playlist guys, where you guys can learn all the DAX functions from scratch. So basically guys, whenever you fetch any column from dimension to fact table, so in that case, we will use related function. But if we have a requirement to fetch any column from fact to dimension, so in that case, we will use related table. But the catch is that guys, related table is a table manipulation function. So we need to wrap under the sumX formula, which is our iterator function. So I hope you guys are clear with the difference of related versus related table, and now you guys can easily explain in the front of interviewer. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connect with us and kindly support this channel. And those who are new to this channel, kindly hit the like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And those who wants to learn Power BI or SQL from scratch, so you guys can follow this free YouTube channel, which name is Analytics Pro. And if you scroll it down guys, so here you guys can see we have a full course Power BI playlist where I have explained each and every concept about Power BI in detail. And if you click here on this playlist button guys, so you guys will get to see multiple playlists are here. This is the Power BI full course playlist, and these are the advanced concepts of Power BI, where you guys can take the knowledge of advanced concepts of Power BI. And we have this Power BI with SQL playlist where you guys can learn all the concepts of SQL from scratch. So you guys can start your SQL journey with this free YouTube channel. And along with that guys, we have this visualization playlist and we have this DAX expression playlist where we have covered most of the DAX functions from scratch, which are majorly used in your projects. And here under this playlist, I am also trying to cover all the differences of DAX functions, which is majorly asked in an interviews. And very soon guys, I will add some more playlists so that you guys can take better understanding of the analytical skills. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I'm keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone. But those who are looking only live sessions, so we guys also conduct live training and sessions where we prepare candidates from scratch till intermediate level with some scenarios, real-time projects, assignments, notes and so on. And we also provide placement assistance with the help of WhatsApp group, where you will get to see some HR emails, contact number and so on. And you guys can also follow us on Insta as well as Facebook. So all the links I will share under the description box. You guys can follow us there. So for free learners guys, you guys can follow this Analytics Pro, and for the live training and sessions, you guys can connect me any of the platform. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.